shake hand, it can speak, it can walk, and it is made of approx 500 rupee, under 500 rupee, which is made in approx 1 year. I have used this mobile box MIA3 to use this as a remote. I have used this two copper wire to shake their hand. See here, firstly see here, this is shaking hand. It is upside. I will place it at downside. This shake hand. See, like this, it can shake hand. It can rotate its hand in 360 degree like this. You can see here, it is rotating its hand 360 degree like this. It can rotate its hand 360 degree, and I can use here hydraulic system, but I have used here a battery system, which are DC motors I have used. So the backside of it, I have used this battery. I have used this Samsung battery to work the robo. See, this is working project. See here, it can work. It can work. See, it can turn their position by walking. See, it is turning their position by walking. If there is rough surface, then it can turn position. After there is rough surface, then it can turn their position before it. Like this. I have not put it here any types of sensor. It is only for making design of this robo. It is made of cardboard. We can also use the stainless steel for this, because after rain it can be wet. So I will show here. There is two eyes of this robo which are not working. Only this is only for looking good. And I have used the speaker inside this mouth, so I can show you by their song. We can put any types of song, any types of welcomes, any types of magic words to impress anyone. See here, listen here. Here I have used a song. You can hear. Yeah. This song is removing from the mouth of this robo, and I have used this sound controller, in which I have used this chip. Inside the chip I have used the song. We can also use any types of magic words, any types of songs, any types of languages to express or to impress anyone. See, I have inserted the chip inside it. I can control the voice of this robo by changing the position, and by changing the voice of this robo, and we can change the song also, and we can change any types of languages. If I have used, see here, it is singing, so I can change the sound also. So it is changed. I can use the volume up or down like this. I have